We're doing an update video on the turbo rebuild we did. It's been over a year, probably close to 30,000 miles now. Everything was rebuilt with parts off Amazon. The entire turbo rebuild kit we bought off Amazon, and the actuator there. That's a Mishimoto turbo blanket. We got that aftermarket from their website, but as far as the Amazon parts, we've had zero issues with them. We're gonna start it up and show you how it sounds. See there, everything starts up good. We're gonna go put the turbo brake on. All right, 281, 731. The engine's still pretty cold, so when we turn the turbo brake on, you'll probably hear it squealing back there. But as you see, we have full control of it. We're gonna leave it on and go back and show you the trailer we're pulling.
Okay, we had to dub audio over because the volume was too low. But as you listen here, the engine's heating up with the turbo brake on. This is supposed to happen. It's creating back pressure in the system, but once it's heated up, it will turn off.
The engine has warmed up now enough, and the exhaust note has changed, and that shows that it's a functioning exhaust brake. So the trailer that we're going to be pulling is about 2,000 pounds itself, and we probably got, you know, a few hundred pounds worth of trash on there. So we'll show you how the turbo brake actuates and everything while we're driving. Just to give you an idea, it's 500-pound tongue weight, so that'll give you an idea of how much weight is back here. All right, we got the turbo brake on and we got tow haul mode on, so we'll let you hear it. So it works just fine. No issues, comes right back off. Drove thousands of hard miles on it. Still engages really, really good. Spool comes back up just as quick. All right, turbo brake's engaged with the tow haul mode. Does very well, comes off, boost comes on good. Let it slow all the way down. Does very well. All right, so we had about 1,000, well, we had exactly 1,120 pounds of garbage. That's a little over a half ton. Now that the trailer's empty, we'll show you how the turbo brake works when we're going a little faster here. All right, the trailer's empty, just cruising along. Go ahead and let the turbo brake do its magic. And as you see there, it slows down rapidly by itself. We're going down a hill here, and we'll show you how quickly it slows down. You hear that turbo brake hitting real hard now. That's nothing on the pedals down there. That's all turbo brake happening right there. Just slowing the truck and the trailer down. So it's been extremely well, extremely good for the price. I think the whole rebuild was under 300 bucks with all the parts, 200-300 bucks. And it spools up just as quick. While the turbo brake hit. Just slows down super quick with the turbo brake. All right, there you have it. You've seen in the video, with a trailer loaded, with it unloaded, it spools just fine and the turbo brake works just fine. Hope this helps you guys. Again, don't be afraid to take it apart and work on your own stuff and save some money, because these turbos are very expensive. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.